Hey, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Hazing here, and today, whoa, what's going on with my mouse? We're here, and let's actually do game roll, do mob spawning, plus structure all. Alright, so today we're here doing a plugin review for just one plugin. I have PEX installed also on here, but that's the next plugin tutorial. So today we're going to be doing essentials. So today I have set up this little server here. Let's go into plugins, essentials. So these are all the things that you can get with essentials, pretty much. So you can also add another thing called messages, and I'll get into that later. So this is the config. So right here it'll ask you for the ops name color, and that is, when you type in chat, it'll go equipping and it'll put that as the color. So I will actually, right now I'll pull up oh god, I hate Bing. I wish I could change it, but I downloaded something and it won't let me now. And it's not what you think that I downloaded. I tried to download a screen recorder and it didn't work. Alright, so let's go to Minecraft color codes. There we go. Alright, so here is all of the color codes right here. So this is for some, like, most of these they're really not used. But let me scroll down maybe. Okay, no, this is the wrong site. Let's go to, here we go, this is the good one. So AND4 is dark red, ANSI, light red, all of that good stuff. And so yeah. So let's go back to the config. I don't really like that. So what we'll be doing is putting that as nothing. And then that squiggly line right there is pretty much like /Nick. Hi, my name is true. It's right there. That's what ends up when you do /Nick, or yeah, pretty much that. So I don't like that either. And then the max neck length is pretty self-explanatory. Change the display name, that's /Nick. You want that as true. Teleportation cooldown, I want that as 5 for defaults, and teleportation delay for 4. That is like, say they teleported and you don't want them to teleport for another 4 seconds. That's what this is right here. So now what we'll be doing is going down to where it says kits. You guys will, this is pretty much self-explanatory, explains everything right here. And these are the kits right here. So what you cannot put in like diamond sword. You can't put that in. You have to put in like the item ID. So 310, or actually what I'll do is do 313, 312, 311, and 310. So then I'll do that. And then what you can have is enchant. So it will be dig speed colon 5. Or actually, let's do protection colon 1. Unbreaking colon 2. So you can have that. And then there's something else down here. Let me just see if I can find it quickly. Unsafe enchants. It lets you go above protection 4, sharpness 5, stuff like that. So if you have like an op faction server, or you want to go like protection 5 or protection 20, protection 50, whatever, you want to put that to true. And then up here I will have it so that it's protection, let's have it as 20, unbreaking with 300. And then there's something called name, and you can have that as like and 8, that, and then and 6 high, and 8. Okay. And then let's just do something else in here. Protection colon, I don't know, 2, and then unbreaking colon 50. And then you can have lore, which will, I don't know, you can do and O. This you put on yourself, I guess we could have. And yeah, so what I'll do now is I'll save that, and then I'll go back in game and do S reload. Then kit tools. Oh, wait a minute. Yes, wait a second, guys. Oh, something's wrong in the config. 312, 311. That's where it is right there. Can't have spaces with that, guys. Can never. Let's delete the broken. Delete that right there. /s reload /clear /kit tools. Kit tools. Oh, and there's another error. I'm sorry, guys. I did not very much prepare for this. It's right here again. Jeez, I keep doing these. Alright, /s reload kit tools. There we go, guys. So now we have prot 1 high diamond leggings, and then right there under unbreaking enchantment.level.50 there is, it says this, and that's pretty much only because it couldn't put the rest of this on, it wouldn't fit it. And then we just have diamond boots. Okay, /clear. Okay, so that's, the kits are really easy. You can rename them to whatever you want. So we'll rename this to true. And then we'll save that file. And I don't know if it's in 1.7 Essentials or 1.8, but it'll make it so that all the kits have to be lowercase like the names, but it will show up uppercase in game, just to let you guys know. So now we'll do S reload, and then we'll do kit, and it'll show up as true. And it's all the same stuff. So let's move on to the signs. So pretty much like you'll see on servers where it'll have like buy, I don't know, 32 stone for $500. Those signs aren't enabled yet. So what you have to do is you have to go in the config, and where it says enabled signs, you want to unhashtag it. Hashtags means that like the code can't see that, so that it doesn't show up as an error. So what I'll do is I'll add color, balance, I'll just add all of them, just so that we can demonstrate them. Alright, let's just finish. Alright, file, save, and then we can do S reload, and then we can try this again. Buy 32 stone, 500. See, now it works. So now we can buy as much stone as we want, guys. And then another thing that you can do with these is you can do color. So and5 and L color, and then and C and L is and5 and B and L here. There's the color. We have sell signs that we can do. Sell 32 stone for $250. Let's just make it half. So we can buy 32 stone, and then we can sell 32 stone. And then another thing that we can do in here is sign use per second, which means ops bypass all. So this would only like go for defaults. It would reduce lag. It reduces lag on my server, but the amount of times people can use a sign per second is 4. So I would only be able to click this sign 4 times a second. So like say it was jitter clicking away, like that. I couldn't just do that on a sign. I've really never used this before. This is if you have, say you got group manager or permissions X or easy ranks light. I've never used easy ranks light before, but it's still a good plugin. I've seen tutorials on it and stuff, but so what you do is you set that to true, and then you do Yeah. So you set that to true. Then in your groups, you have to add the permission node. Here, I'll just go into permissions X quickly and go into permissions.linemel. So all you do is you backspace, enter essentials warps shop. Actually, let me set warp shop here. Set warp shop. Okay, so now they have access to warp, but they also need access to essentials.warp and essentials.warp.list. They need all of those. This one, it allows them to see all of the warps, so it'll show up with this. And then this, it'll show up with, like you'll be able to actually do the /warp command. Then this lets you go to that warp. And that warp actually shows up in the list of warps there. So now we can do file save. Then we go back to our server and we do sreload. And then, so warp shop, they would have access to that, but it will take them here text deauth equipping warp. Oh wait, text reload. I have to do text reload. Just 1 second, guys. Text reload /warp shop. So it'll take us 3 seconds. I didn't config that, so it'll take us 3 seconds. So yeah, that's the permission per warp custom join message. On my server I have that to and 8 and L, and then and A and L plus and 8 and L, and then it'll say and R. Oh, someone's calling me. Let me actually just message him quickly. If my Skype doesn't lag. Alright, that's fine. And R, and then we do player, and then what I also have for the custom quit message is the same thing, but I have a C and then a minus. So now we can save that again and do sreload op equipping. Okay, so now we'll go over here and go down to our server, double click on that, join it, and now it'll have that plus. That's the join message instead of and 6 equipping has joined the game. It won't show up as like that. So now we'll get down to the format. Let's just scroll down. So if you don't like these, I hate these, the little brackets there. You can just remove them right here. And then you can also open up this char map. Then it'll bring up a characters map that you can use. What I use is this. And it'll go right here. And then I will also have the double arrows, which look very, very nice. Alright, let me just see if I can find the double arrows. If I can't find them, it's okay. Alright, I can't find them, so I'll just do this. And then file, save. But you actually have to go like this. Oh my gosh. There we go. And then you have to go like that. And R and F. And R and F. Okay. File, save. sreload and T. So now it shows up as that format, and you can pretty much do endless things. So now what we'll do is we will go down. You can just enable modifications in here and enable mobs, the spawning of mobs, sorry. So that's all self-explanatory. This is the newbies thing. Maybe later I'll get on my alt and do a clip where I'll show it. And then, so yeah guys, it's pretty much essential. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.